Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix connection error on Snapchat, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Snapchat on your device. If Snapchat has connection errors, you must check your internet connection. You must be connected to Wi-Fi or data for Snapchat to function properly. So, drag the menu from the top and turn off your Wi-Fi or data and turn it back on. Make sure that the internet connection is fairly strong. Now, close Snapchat from the background and check if the problem is fixed. If the connection error is still showing on Snapchat, open the PlayStore on your device and search for Snapchat. Tap the results shown. If your app is not up to date, an update button will be shown, so tap Update. The latest version of Snapchat will be downloaded, so check again to see if the problem is fixed. And that's how you fix connection error on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.